Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So your friend Kumar is back. So actually, today you guys are waiting for PGCET first round seat allotment. So I want to wish best of luck to each one of you, and so that you get a seat which is in your dreams and which you is very much suitable for your good career, right? So my best of luck for you. And with the objective in the mind that few students are going for second round, I'm reviewing some more college. So I'm today reviewing PGCET MBA college, which is Ambedkar Institute of Technology. So it's a good class engineering college. So it's a grade engineering college, and it has achieved 163 rank in the NRF rank in the one of the previous years, and it's a category affiliated to Visvesvaraya Technical University (VTU). And this college is a quite old and established college in Bangalore, right? It started in 1980 by Jayaprakash Narayan. So you can understand this, and it's approved by as UGC for as an autonomous college, and it's located in Bangalore. So state of art infrastructure. It's a 23 acres big campus in the Bangalore city, and it's one of the oldest colleges. As you saw, in 1980 it started, and it is fully funded, fully aided by government of Karnataka, as well as autonomous and funded by World Bank project, right? So, and it's a Wi-Fi enabled, and it has got a good amount of facilities for students, which is respect to hostels and the other facilities, right? So I'll review the MBA course of this is just one view of the since this is a big campus, I'll not cover more time here on infrastructure part. This is but this thing, and the only thing which I'll cover is the hostels, because a lot of you ask for the queries about the hostel availability and all those things. So this is about the men's hostel, and you can see here good number of rooms available for accommodation. So that will not be problem if you're coming out from outside Bangalore, and it has a sufficient infrastructure for both boys and the girls, right? So this is a hostels for the boys, Ashoka men's hostel also. And similarly, I said about the girls also, they do have a Chetana ladies hostel, right, where which has 108 rooms equipped with all of TV, gyms and all. And with that respect, it has a capacity of 385 girls, which is currently. So I don't see there is a big challenge in terms of that. And so accommodation wise, also it's all good for the students. And this is just as one small picture for the main building with the girls hostel. Now coming directly to the courses. Engineering courses are all UG courses. I'm not talking about that, but also there are few engineering courses which are MTech level, and so this may be interested to somebody who is wanted to go PGCET MTech. But MCA and MBA are the key courses, right? So I'll cover only in this video about the MBA courses, but MCA courses is all, for this college are also good, and sometime later we'll cover that. But if you go to the MBA program, so this program has started in 2001. So that way MBA program and this college is quite established, and the total number of seats for the MBA program is 60. So that is one good thing, that not large number of seats are there, and the placement probability increases, right? So this is about the program which I said MBA, and they have a program options of taking the branch from production, marketing, finance, HR, in international business unit. And since this college is affiliated to VTU, but it's an autonomous college under VTU from 2016, so it has a good number of flexibility. I will directly come to the placement part, why you are here. So I'm basically taken this snapshot from the NRF PDF report, which a college gives it to the AICTE to get its MBA approvals and continue as an AICTE approved college, right? So these are the last 3 years data. If you see between 17-18, out of 60 students, 49 students were eligible to participate, and out of 49, 45 students got placed, and the average median salary was 6 lakh, which is very good. Next year also 54 students, out of which 48 got placed, which is also very good, with the median salary of 5 lakhs. Last year it was because of the COVID, I think the median salary has come down, but the number of students placed were again 45 out of 53. So number of students placed are very good percentage wise at this rank. It is a good college. So whosoever is getting this, maybe he can take, because the percentage of placement is quite good, around 80%, 75 to 80%. And these are typical companies which visit the campus, and few of these companies take the MBA students also. So as you know, a lot of placements in engineering colleges depend on the, for MBA or MCA student, depend on the how good companies are coming for engineering, and how they are allowing MBA and MCA student to sit for the placement, right? So again, this is the second set. You see all good companies, national or the multinationals are all in the campus. L&T, Infotech, Comviva, Toyota. So you seeing the more or less IT companies are coming into this college, or the engineering companies are coming. So if that is your target, then this is the right college. If you are expecting bank or the other type of companies coming in this college, so that is not the right college for that. So hope you have got the decent amount of idea. You can take marketing, production, and the related branches in this HR also in this college. So that's what I have. And if you have any questions, please do write to me. And I have given another video for cutoff. You can check what is the cutoff for this college. Thanks for watching, and best of luck again for the allotment. Right? Thank you and take care. Please do like the video.